Alright, so here it is. Welded up. Gotta clean it up a little bit on the inside, the file, and then I'm gonna repaint it and put it back on. Alright, this is pretty much cleaned up. Took a file in there. It's a little rough still, but anyway, I'm going to paint this now. I've been using this for everything. Comes out pretty good. I'm gonna take one of these and just kind of cap it off over the flanges. I don't want to get any paint on that. And then I'm gonna paint it. Let it dry and put it on the car. Okay, we got this thing all painted up, welded up. Now we're gonna put it back on the car. I had to change the spring on this before I put it on the car. When I bought it, it came with an 11 psi spring, which was too high for the amount of vacuum my car pulls. I have a set of cams in it, so it's a little lower than stock. So I put in the 8 psi spring here. Finally get to put the blow-off valve on there and see what it looks like. Throw that O-ring on there first, and then throw the bolt in and tighten it down. Then I'm gonna route the new vacuum line I got from the intake manifold down to the blow-off valve, kind of snake it through some of the other hoses and wires that are in the way already, and try to figure out something I'm happy with on that. This is the intake manifold I had laying around. I never got around to porting it. That's why I got it. But anyway, I use this port here to plumb the blow-off valve. That's the one that my factory blow-off valve was hooked up to initially. Went to Napa, I got this, which is 1/4 inch to fit the bigger hose I got, which Tial recommends. But these threads are different. This is 8th NPT, and these are, on this is 8th BSPT. So didn't fit, but these are so close in size. I ended up just using the factory one. I mean, they're just about the same. So seems to be working out pretty good so far. Pretty happy with it. Looks good. Just clears the hood.